Hello students, let us learn the ionic bond formation of sodium chloride. How does an ionic bond formed in sodium chloride? Before that, we should know what is an ionic bond. So an ionic bond is actually formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. So, an ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. So, let us see how does that transfer of atoms takes place in each atom. So, for that we are going to deal with sodium chloride formation. So, how does an ionic bond formed in the case of sodium chloride? For that we can write the atomic number of sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and the electronic configuration is 281. So there are 11 electrons in sodium atom and the electronic configuration is 281. So in sodium atom there is 281 configuration. So in order to attain an octet configuration, that means 8 electrons in the outer shell. For achieving 8 electrons in the outer shell, sodium atom donates 1 electron. So when sodium atom donates 1 electron, it attains 1 positive charge. So if it loses 1 electron, it attains 1 positive charge, and now the configuration is 2,8. So 281 configuration changes to 28 configuration. Now this sodium ion, so this is sodium ion, that is Na plus. So this sodium ion has 28 configuration, that is a stable configuration or octet configuration, that means 8 electrons in the outer shell. So sodium ion formation, that is the first step in this case. Now let us see the atomic number of chlorine. So there is sodium atom and chlorine atom. So we can write the atomic number of chlorine is 17. So there are 17 electrons. Now the electronic configuration is 287. So chlorine atom has 287 configuration, and in order to attain stable configuration or octet configuration, it needs 1 electron. So since 287 is the configuration, so it accepts 1 electron and this attains a negative charge, 1 negative charge by accepting 1 electron, and the configuration changes to 288. So 287 configuration is the configuration of chlorine atom, and in order to attain octet configuration it accepts 1 electron and getting a negative charge, and now the configuration is 288, which is a stable configuration. Now first step is the formation of sodium ion. Formation of sodium ion Na plus. So second step is actually the formation of chloride ion. Chloride ion Cl minus. So sodium ion Na plus and chloride ion Cl minus. So these are the two steps for the formation of ionic bond formation. Now let us draw the electron dot structure, or how does the electron transfer takes place in this case. So now let's see the electron transfer. So for that we will draw the electron dot structure of sodium. So in the case of sodium, there is 1 electron in the outer shell. We know the configuration is 281, so there is 1 electron in the outer shell. So we can represent the electron dot structure of sodium by writing the symbol of sodium and also that 1 electron by putting a dot. So this is the electron dot structure of sodium. Now chlorine atom. So chlorine atom is having 287 configuration, so 7 electrons in the outer shell. So we need to represent that 7 electrons by putting 7 cross. So one is dot, the other one is cross. That represent the electron dot structure of sodium and chlorine. Now when sodium reacts with chlorine, one sodium atom reacts with one chlorine atom, where one electron is transferring from sodium to chlorine. So electron transfer takes place. That means from sodium electron is transferred to chlorine atom, and this sodium attains a positive charge. We have already seen that, and also this chlorine attains a negative charge, and this chlorine is getting that electron from sodium and it gets a negative charge. Now this chlorine is getting a negative charge by accepting one electron from sodium. So this is the representation of electron transfer. Now there is sodium ion Na plus and chloride ion Cl minus. So sodium ion and chloride ions are there, and there is an electrostatic force of attraction. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between positive and negative ions. So there is positive ion and negative ion. So there is an electrostatic force of attraction between this positive and negative ions, and sodium chloride is formed. So the bond between sodium and chlorine is an ionic bond. It is purely ionic in nature, since sodium ion having a positive charge and chloride ion is having a negative charge. So there is a bond between, or there is an attraction between sodium ion and chloride ion, or there is a bond between sodium ion, positive ion, and negative ion. So there is an attraction between positive ion and negative ion, that is an electrostatic force of attraction. So that is how sodium chloride is formed. So sodium chloride is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another, or it is an ionic bond, transfer of electrons from one atom to another. Here transfer of electrons from sodium atom to chlorine atom. So it is an ionic bond. Transfer of electrons, that means electron transfer takes place from sodium to chlorine. So in order to attain a stable configuration. So one atom gets a positive charge and the other atom gets a negative charge, and there is electrostatic force of attraction between them. So that is how sodium chloride is formed. So we have to answer this question: what are the ions present in sodium chloride? The ions present in sodium chloride. So sodium ion and chloride ion. So these are the ions present in sodium chloride. So sodium ion and chloride ions are there in sodium chloride. So these two ions are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. So this bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another. That is how we are saying that this is an ionic bond. So this is about the ionic bond formation of sodium chloride.